In today's session, I will explain about init function in Python. The init function is also called as the constructor. Then what is init function? Init function is a special function or special method. It is called automatically when an object is declared or created. We don't call this function explicitly. Okay, it is called automatically when an object is declared or created. There are two types of the constructor in Python. The first one is non-parameterized constructor, the parameterized constructor. What is mean of parameterized constructor and non-parameterized constructor? The init function with argument is called as the parameterized constructor. The init function without having any arguments are called as non-parameterized constructor. Then how the init function will be called automatically, I will explain you with the help of the example. Then class, the class name is sample, then colon. Then I would like to use the definition double underscore, the init function, then followed by self argument. The self argument is compulsory because here this function does not have any arguments. The self is a default argument, but it is not considered as an argument because I did not provide any arguments to the init function over here. Then, but what is the importance of the init function? The init function is used to initialize the object. What is mean to initialize the object? Initialize the object means in order to initialize the attributes of a class. The attributes means variable of a class. We will see how do you initialize the attributes of a class. Then, for example, the self dot x should be 10, self dot y should be 20. The two attributes as initialized in init method. See here, then I would like to take another function definition, then display or show method. You can use any method as per your application or requirement. Then colon, then print. I would like to find the sum equal to what is called self dot x plus self dot y. See here, I would like to find the sum of two attributes or two variables over here. Then init method has been defined. Then two attributes has been initialized. In display method, I would like to find the sum of the two attributes. Then what after that, what you have to do? Then I would like to create the object to the class sample. Then what is the syntax? Then object name is ob. Then sample. What is the class name? Sample. Sample. Because what is the syntax to creating the object? Already we have seen in the previous session. Then this is called as ob is the object name. Sample is the class name. Once we creating the object, then the init method will be called automatically. Init function is called automatically when an object has to be created to a class sample. Then this is a sample is a class name. The object has been created at that time. This init method will be called automatically by the interpreter. We don't call this init method explicitly. In case of method, we call it explicitly, but init function is a constructor. It is called automatically when an object is declared. Here I declared object. At that time, it will be called automatically. Then display method, then you call it explicitly. Then ob dot display. Then save it. I would like to run this program. Yeah, one error is there. What is the error? Display takes 0 position argument, but one was given. It must have one argument, that is self. Then save it, run once again. Yeah, what is the answer we got it? At some value would be 30. See the result over here. Some value should be 30 because the x value has given 10, the y value has given as 20, then some value should be 30. Now, I will give the example for init function with arguments. That is also called as a parameterized constructor. Then say, I would like to provide the arguments x, comma y. What are the values? You can take your own variable names. R A B, A comma B. Because the init method is consist of two arguments. Then when you creating the object to the class sample, you must provide the two values. Because here see, here I provide the two arguments, but here at the time of creating the object to a class sample, I did not provide any arguments over here. Then we will see, then what is the output we will get. Then it shows errors. The init method missing two required position arguments. But I, at the time of creating the object, I did not provide any arguments. Then you must provide two arguments at the time of creating the object to a class sample. Then I would like to 50 and 60. The time of creating the object to a sample class, I providing the two arguments over here. Then here, then a value copied into the variable x, then b. Self dot x equal to a, self dot y equal to b. Then we will see, then a value becomes 50, then b value becomes 60. A value is copied into the variable x, the b value should be copied into the variable y. Then I would like to run this module. Then what is the output we got it? Some value should be 110. Isn't it? This is called as parameterized constructor. Okay. The init method without any argument, that is called as self. It is not considered as an argument. It is a default argument. Okay. We don't consider this as an argument in Python. Okay. If you have any, or you can contact me through WhatsApp. Thank you. Thank you all for watching my videos.